Hello guys, and today we're solving leetcode coding problem, and it named decode string, and it has a special format of encoded strings. It consists of letter K, which is a number of repetitions of characters which will be in square brackets. So also we don't have numbers as characters in brackets, and also we don't have other characters than English lowercase letters, digits, and square brackets. And also all brackets are valid. So let's see the first example. We have a free and a character A in brackets. So the output string should contain the A character 3 times, because here we have a 3. And then we have two BC characters. And we also should take the two characters and append it to the resulting string. What can we do here? We can create a separate stack for storing values in brackets, because from the example 2 we know that brackets could be folded. That means that using stack we can first of all process this inner string which looks like that, and then go out of the brackets and multiply the inner string which looks like that. So I will try to explain it with drawings. So we have a stack, and we have input string. So we iterating over the input string, and I will create the output. First of all, it will be empty. So we need to iterate, and if the current character is a digit, that means we need to see into stack. We need to pick into top of the stack and multiple this value 3 times. So I think it will look like something here. For a char is not an closing bracket, and that means that we should stop producing the characters. So first of all, we see the k number. We collecting it to the special variable k, and now it equals 3. So while we in the brackets, we need to collect the characters, and if the inner character is just a letter, we appending it to the string from stack, and we iterated over first brackets, and all we have in stack is just a letter A. So after our inner cycle stopped, and we can move forward, we just adding to the out k times top of the stack, and now it 3 A's. But now I have a question. What if example looks like that? What if we iterating over inner brackets and seeing another brackets? That means that we should have two stacks. First stack to contain the resulting strings of the brackets, but to keep in mind how many times should we produce the string to the out, we should have a stack for number. So here we have stack for strings and stack for let me name it prefixes. Such now we iterating over this string, and we don't have to create this variable because we have multiple prefixes for each string, inner string. So okay, can I just group selection and group selection deleted. Now we iterating over each element. First is 3. If we have a number, that means second character is always the opening bracket, and that means we need to store that prefix value in special stack. Then we need to iterate over other elements while we don't see an closing bracket. So in this bracket, in bracket of prefix 3, we have letter A, and since we don't have any other characters, it's not a digit and it's not a bracket, we should add it to the stack of strings and move forward. Now we see number 2. That means we have other folding bracket in our target brackets, and we should save this stack to this prefix to the prefixes stack. Okay, like 3, it's now on the top, and 2 now on the top. 3 is now at the bottom, and 2 is now at the top. So then we have to move, and since we have a number, we need to not add to the stack to this string. We need to create a new string in stack, and add the C element, C character. So then we added it, and then we can see that this string is ended. Therefore, we getting the top of stack to and multiple it by this character, and multiple is by resulting string from strings stack. So we pop it, pop it, multiple, and after we calculated that this new string, we need to add this string which looks like the and then we need to add this string to the top element of stack, not to the top of stack, not like this, but we need to add is like this to create a new word. And then when we also see the closing bracket, we can also see into the top of, we can also pop from the preferences stack and multiple it by top of the strings stack. And resulting array will be look like that, like ACC, ACC, ACC. And am I right? Yes, and that was how do I understand the main logic, but let's see if I can do it in the code. Okay, so we need to create two stacks. I have already implemented it. Stack for integers, stack refs, I will name it, and stack strings. Stack string in items. So we created two stacks, and here we have three real case what could be character, like for char in range of s. Firstly, it could be the digit, and in Golang to know if it's a digit, we just can use a strconf package, like k and here equals strconf atoi string char, and if year equals nil, that means that we have a character. And as I said, if we have a character, we should just add it to the prefix stack. Step prefs dot push the key value. Okay, otherwise we have two I forgot this word. Two variants. Yes, if this word exists in English, we can see the opening bracket, we can see the closing bracket, and we can see the character. So exactly we have a three variants here, and I want to change some of this code, range s, and now we have an index and string s I, and now it's okay, because I don't like to work with these characters which Golang generates, and if si equals the opening bracket, we should just continue, and if s with index I equals the closing bracket, that means, like here, that we should get the prefix and multiple it by top of string stack, like p equals s prefs dot pop, and string prefix and str equals strings dot pop, and we just got this character, multiply it by 2, and we should add it to the another top of stack with strings, like we'll name it top 2, and it's strings dot pop and strings dot push the prefix, no, like top 2 plus prefix times is here, int and string. I can't use, I forget that it's not a JavaScript and I can't use multiple with strings. Okay, a int, a string, and return string. Return string. Okay, so this equals null string for range a res what, and here we should add the p times str, and I forget that if we have only one level of foldiness, like folded brackets, like in this example, we will have an error here, so we should init it with a null string, and if I think I could move it here. And if we have a simple character, that means that we should just add it to the top of ht strings, like continue, and here if we have a simple character like a here we can just get a pref and if we have a pref we can okay, top equals strings dot pop, so we got the top element and we need to add strings dot push the top plus p times string si, and if we don't have prefix, we should just get a top. Alright, we continue here, and top plus string si for plus target element. And so in the end, in the strings stack, we will have res strings dot pop, I think, return res. Okay, I don't sure if this code works, if it can work. Is using strings builder. I forgot how to use strings builder in Go. Writer, strings builder, write, just use that. So like string stud dot who. Okay, strings dot builder. Like here, and write. Okay, for range A, boulder, I think I have a wrong name, write bytes of string, and return builder.string. This looks good for me. And okay, now what do we have here? We have 3 times a, so it will be get okay. It will have an okay and push the top if it will be the empty string, and p times a. So it's I think it may work. Like if year equals nil, push. I forget add continue here. Stack with strings. We have a number, we add it to the number stack, then we have opening bracket, we have a character, so with not a number, not an closing bracket, we just need to pop the prefix, and if we have prefix, we have strings, push top plus p times a. And what do we? Yes, we have 3 times a here. Continue. And here we have the closing one. Okay. And we have no prefixes and no string. Top 2 is a null string, as p is 0, so what do we have here? We have deleted resulting string because we don't have any p, and okay, we should continue only if okay, p okay, and s okay, and if p okay and s okay, that means we have an other prefixes and strings in our stack. We just p okay and s So I just asked the Cloud Code to help me with that problem, and he said that I have two mistakes here. First of all, I not processing the more than two digits. Like if I would have here 31, it will not work. And that I just ignoring the opening bracket. Here I need to get the top strings dot pop top plus this element, and so when I see the opening bracket, I need to create a new buffer in the strings stack. And also I need to okay, so to process the numbers, we should create a new variable named num, and if we have a number here, we don't need to add it to the prefix storage. We firstly need to add it to the num. And when we see the opening bracket, that means that we already collected the digits, and so we have to and make num equals 0. So let's see how code works, how this code works. And I forget the continue here. We collecting the digits to the number num, then we save it to the prefix stack, and then we see the A letter which we like concatenate to the previous value from the stack. Like here we pop and push to the stack and delete the old used prefix. So now we collecting the 2, adding it to the prefixes stack, creating new buffer for the letters. Okay, not this. Adding B, adding C, and then we see the closing bracket, get our okay, and that's it. And how that problem was? I have been solving it for more than 2 hours, and that was not easy. And what I'm happy about that my first examples were right, and I choose the good strategy for solving this problem. But I had some problems with implementation, like with code, with working with stack, but I still learn, and that's the main.